Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in last video we saw some basic understanding of multidimensional array, and usually we saw the 2D array. So in today's video we'll do some hands-on practice, like how we can print those arrays together, how we can get a particular element from a 2D array. So let's quickly get started with it without wasting our time. So let's first print a normal array, that is a single dimensional array using this thing. And this is how we print the single dimensional array. So it's print print off. Then we'll do this. Let's percentage d comma grades with particular. I would say I want to print the total number. Let's see what we are getting down here. So I say print 11, and this is what I'm getting here, 5, because this is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So we are getting here our desired output. Now let's see how we'll print a multidimensional array. So int my grades, I would say, there would be two square brackets, as we know. The first one is for the rows and the second one is for the columns, and you can assign the values down here, but it is a bit different from the single array. So for that we'll need a whole curly bracket, and into that we'll have one more curly bracket which will indicate one whole row. So for example, if I'm printing down here 20, 10, and 30, that means this is whole one row. I'll print another one down here, which would be here 40. What was it? So it's 40, 50, and that again 40, I would say. Yeah, let's go. And let's try to print this stuff now. So print f with percentage d down in there, and I'll say my grades and these two brackets. So let's see if I want to print 50. So what I'll need to write down here, so for this thing you can refer to the previous video that I have uploaded, so you can get how we count this stuff. So that is, it is same as the single dimensional array. So this is the 0, 1, and 2, and same goes for the rows 0, 1, and 2. So it is in the first and the second column. So first index for the row, and I would say it's the first index for the column as well. It's 1 and 1 here. Let's try to print it. What's there is, because every time you do this thing to declare, you need to, I'm not really sure about what is the reason for this, but we'll need to fill out this column here, and this is how we are gonna do it. Let's say here end column, let's say just call, and here we'll write 3 from it's column or 3, yeah, and same will do for the row, and it is 2 rows that we have here, and we write call here. There is no name for the row, and I'm not really sure why is it going on, but this is what they are doing here. And my grades was not declared in this code. Okay, so this is the capital G. So this is what we are getting. Let me, so This is the slash and let's see. So first output here is for the migrates, that is two-dimensional, and that is for the single dimensional array. We can put it into the comment for now because we don't need it anymore. And what if now we want to print this thing? Now let's first, so if I'll say you can change the value of each element simply by doing this same, like my grades and this square brackets with the indexes inside and simply assign. So that was 50 and here I'm gonna do 80 for now, and let's print it now what we are getting. And see, we are getting 80 down there, so the value is being changed now. Now what if we want to print all the elements of 2D array? So for that we'll need a nested for loop. We'll need two loops to do this thing. So it is quite simple, but sometimes it goes bit hard when you're working with 3D and 4D array. So let's look what we are getting now. So it's for, and we declare a first variable, that is I equals to 0, that is I less than, the first column is always for the row as I said, and then I plus plus, and simply in there we'll print for the another variable you can take. I'll take here k, you can put anything, and that is k less than, call down here, and k plus plus. So now let's print it with respectively with I and k, because now we are referring row with I and column with k. So printf statement down here, so it's percentage d with a comma down here, and my grades with square bracket I in the first one and k in the second one. So for now I'm putting this thing whole in the comment because it might confused. And let's see what we are getting down here. So to separate this thing you'll just have to put a slash n, that is printf, and this double inverted comma with a slash n down here after every column. So we'll now get our output, I guess. Yeah, so this is all we are getting, this 20, 10, 30, 40, 50 and 40 again down here. And for this stuff you just need to put space to make it bit clear. And this is the output that we are getting. So this is how we print this two-dimensional array, and we see some more stuff in the further videos. So do subscribe to the channel and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care.